I'll bring another pullback video. Why don't you get the perfect pullback? The perfect pullback do not exist, but if we could control when you get that entry that belongs so much in the previous video. I put and explain it more than expansion and compression in range in general. I'm going to wait for that range to break and then find resistance support zone. And based on the way we enter, if you go to the case, we see the kind of range at this point and see here the 30 seconds range, and expect that to break, but it will wait for the price to return it, and then if there is rejection, enter bullish continuation. That is what I'm going to do. Well, I'm going to look for the first entry. When I have that and I take it, I want to explain it for you. All right, so I'm going to find one of the two entries and explain the concept that simple breakout explaining. All right, so here are the sin. So to give it an answer, let's goes up upward. Okay, but that's why, because we see that something interesting. The perfect pullback occurs when we see a trend. All right, so it's break the range, whether it's toward one direction. In this case, we see that the price in the range does never break as the price rises very strongly. Okay, and that's pretty good. All right, so perhaps I'm anticipating the position rejection on that, but because I see the possible pullback. I see the possible pullback, and that has to be seen well, because sometimes we see that the price does not occur or does not give the direction properly. And I wanted that when in this case point is going higher. And look at that, we got our first position, guys. See that JPY OTC. I entered because there was hammer capable of entry. Well, the next candle is not so good when I said I'm going to lose, but I would, well, in end it says, right? Of course it's fall. You can see that maybe that will get a revert, so we need to wait for that position. All right, let's increase the amount. Let's try to do that, and look at what is happening here. Okay, you can see that 1 to the third point, and then we get a position. All right, that is still returning if the reject is lower upward. So pay attention on that situation. It's just that. So I'm going to wait for the another entry, the second one, to continue. Explain the concept that Red explained it before, and well, sometimes it's go to touch on topics. Okay, never enter the roof of the big candle, guys. Wait for that.
Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
Okay, if the season breaks doesn't enter this because I can be lost. You have to wait for control that correction, then enter on the continuation. Look what is happening here. Right? I look for this, so for M5 and how this position comes out. Okay, and it is cool, the same pair to take the first other kind of movement to enter to the downside. Let's see the reason. The reason generally didn't find the zone as a proposed breakout zones. If you see that zones breaks, although here see that red line number 2. All right, that's above this slide break. So wait to see that it does. If you see that the next one tells me, okay, yeah, look at that. Just follow this one. Hammer partner, more involvement. We have a partner here, and if you see the previous one, that is good. Look at that. For the M1, 25 seconds remaining. Identifying the candlestick pattern, the resistance zones, breakouts when it occurs, and it's not because I could have entered that up there. All right, let's go with this. Almost 5 seconds. That's clear. That's pretty good. And look at this, guys. We just got our second position. That's pretty good. Look, that's an amount, man. Oh gosh. Well, I would be all for this video, guys. Already touched on the topics. When I do not enter, when I don't, you need to wait for that. Okay. The pullback is very simple. I wait for an area. I could wait for another position. If the candle rejects, I would enter upside. Let's see, $250 quickly, and I enter the upside. Give final explanation, but I have already $500.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about contacting for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
That's good for me, and I would be for all these videos. Okay, right now that's good. Look at that, for $180, and that's pretty good. Again, to make an upward moment, as I said for you, and that was pretty good. Okay, so look at that, guys. I uploaded my account from 200, yeah, for 200, and put 200 to 703 fast positions using pullback concept, right? Based on the direction I propose is the one I'm looking for. So, well, see you in the next video, guys. Like the video, subscribe on that, share the link for friends, and see you. All right, wish good profits, good operations, happy day. See you. Bye bye.